Now let's go through getting our air compressor set up. We're going to need our air tube, a pair of pliers, our filter for our air compressor, and our air compressor fittings. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my air compressor from the box. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my air filter. I need to attach one of my air fittings. The other air fitting I'm going to connect to my air tube. Now that we got our air compressor all set up, we're going to go ahead and install our air regulator using our number 2 Phillips screwdriver and connect our air. So the air regulator attaches to the leg of the machine. I'm going to place the air tube coming from under the laminator through this hole in the leg, and it's going to connect to my regulator. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my air compressor and connect my air tube. And go ahead and plug in my air compressor. I'm going to connect my air tube. I'm going to go ahead and make sure my air compressor is pulled up to turn on. And then I'm going to open up my air valve. Once air is going to my laminator, my roller will lift up, and now I'll be able to remove my shipping bracket. One of the features of the Armor laminator is having a foot pedal. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect it. So we're going to go around to the rear of the laminator. Right here I have an icon for where my foot pedal connects to. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Tighten my lock screw. Now I can go ahead and place my foot pedal where I would like it.
And that's it. Your Ally Armor G164HA is one step closer to operation. To complete setup, be sure to check out our quick start videos for installing the heating element. We've made it easy to get started so you can get back to doing what you do best. Thanks for choosing Ally Armor, your partner in productivity.